Thompson, what are you doing? Are you eating fish? Are you helping yourself to what was on the table? Can you say, yummy?
You like seafood?
Stuff them in there, man.
How many does he have in his mouth?
A lot. What are you eating? Fish.
It's almost empty, huh?
Are you all done? You are? All done. Put it up on the table. Can you put the box on the table for mommy? What? Maybe just a few more. Thompson. Alright, I think you're done. All done. All done. You want more?